Well, we've pulled up to a little place called Tea Tree just out of Alice, and we're on our way to Devil's Marbles, but pretty stoked with that. Don't know if you can see there. 12.7 litres to the 100. Fully, I guess, loaded up. Water, fuel. But yeah, we're heading to Devil's Marbles tomorrow. Yeah. Head there tomorrow. Try and find a nice free camp tonight. Let's get into it. Yeah, nothing exciting today. We've headed off from Alice Springs and just sort of cruised up to Devil's Marbles. We're staying at Devil's Marbles Hotel. And yeah, nothing exciting. Had a couple of days off in Alice Springs there, sort of to ourselves. Chilled out a bit. But as for everything, everything's going alright. Fuel economy on that's dropped right down. I'm really bloody impressed with that. I think we're getting 12.4 or something, which is awesome. I'm loving that. And we did have a little mishap though with the batteries in Alice. Bloody cloudy for 2 days, but we got through it. I forgot to put out the little solar panel on the side here, the fold out one. But she's slowly climbing back up to 100%. I think we're about 80% or something now. So touch wood, tomorrow night she'll be 100. But yeah, bit excited for this one. Tomorrow we're going to be into the Devil's Marbles. Check that out. And then I'm not too sure where onto after that. But it's good now. It's getting warmer. We're in warmer sort of areas, so pretty stoked with that. Anyway, quiet night again. But I thought I'll start the video sort of here and then see where we get to. Well, beautiful morning. Not so fresh as down at Uluru. But we're finishing up here at Devil's Marbles Hotel. Gonna pack up and I guess head into Devil's Marbles. Check it out, have a look around. And by the looks of it, looks pretty cool. So let's pack up and get out of here, I guess. Also, another thing about this little stop we're at, didn't even notice this, but right out the front, you get a little tap. This beautiful tree, which has lost a lot of its leaves. And a little park bench, water tank as well. It's pretty cool. There's a little, I don't know, like a firewood bin, but I'm not sure if there's any firewood in there. So it's pretty well catered for here. And I guess you just run over to the pub there and use the toilets. Bit loud though, bit loud for our liking. Like you got trucks rolling past in the middle of the night. Because the road's only, well, just there. But a pretty good stop, really good stop. So here we are at Devil's Marbles, which was a quick drive, 2.5 k's I think it was. So yeah, nothing, but not a bad little spot here. Got this little parking bay, and then back about, I don't know, 500 metres is a camping area as well. It must be on the back of that hill over there, which is pretty cool. There's a walking trail there as well, but I'm guessing we'll go read the instructions there and then have a look around, I guess. But we've made it here and it's pretty cool. So we've got this walk which is just to the left of the car park. 400 metres, 20-minute loop. Grade 2 easy, so pretty cool. We'll have a walk. It's weird how they're just plonked on top of each other though. Oh, and a nice toilet there. So how's that big one? It's like someone's just karate chopped it. Pretty cool how it's done. Big as well, like huge. Come stand in front of it, Sosh.
You can't compare me to anything.
Well, Sosh is about 3 foot, so that must be, I don't know, that's huge, that. So that's where they get the marbles from, I'm guessing. They just sort of look like they're, I don't know, rolling around by themselves. That's pretty incredible, that one. That's just been split in half. And it's also, it's handy, they got these little info bays around everywhere as well. It's pretty good. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's just loads of them, you can't even count them. I like how the tops just sort of come off that one. Still sort of hanging in there. It's really cool how they've all formed like this in different ways. If I had any skills with that drone, I'd try and peel it through there, but I don't think that's going to happen. So another cool thing we're just sort of reading here is desert frogs, but the crabs. There's bloody crabs out here. We're in the middle of nowhere, and there's a drought surviving crab, which is really cool. Grows 50 mils across and blocks the entrance to its burrow and retreats to a small moist chamber at the bottom, where it just waits for the rain, I guess. That's pretty cool. I like that. This proves sort of anything can sort of survive anywhere. How's that rock? Just sort of hanging on for life there. Pretty cool to see. What's it look like?
Chorizo cut in half.
A bit of chorizo cut in half.
Yeah, got one in the fridge to show.
Oh, chorizo for dinner. So that's pretty good. Devil's Marbles. It's there's a couple of different walks there, about 3 or 4, and one from the campsite, which is just over the back there. And you can walk through those ones, the smaller Devil Marbles, into this main area. But it's pretty good. Like, you can walk around them all, walk sort of through them, but you just can't walk on them, which is good. A lot of other parks you can't really touch or do anything, but these, they sort of encourage you to do that, just so long as you don't climb on them. Anyway, we're heading to Tenant Creek. We've, how's that one there? Look at it, just perched up. We're heading to Tenant Creek, and I don't know what to expect there, but I guess just fuel and probably keep going through. I don't know what Soja's got planned, but we'll see when we get there. So we've just come through Tenant Creek and needed to stop for like a toilet break, have a bit of lunch, but we've pulled up at Lake Marianne, which is got like a little dam system, nice little park as well, which we just sort of saw on Wikicamps. Pretty cool little spot actually. Fair few benches. I did see a barbecue as we walked in as well, but there's Lake Marianne there. And it seems to go on right around, almost loops here. But yeah, good little spot. Toilets, barbecues, playground, plenty of parking up there, tables and chairs, bins, and water as well. There's a couple of taps I saw around. Pretty cool little spot, even some little fireplaces if you want to. So there's another cool thing this lake's got. Got some new mates, Soch. They're just chilling. And then over here, you got a bloody peacock just sitting on the bench here. Pretty cool for the kids. So that's pretty cool. It's that ideal spot to just park up for lunch for a family. You got little barbecues there. Bloody great playground. Peacock over there, and a couple of these ducks. Ducks or geese? Pretty sure they're ducks. Just cruising around. Yeah, what a ripper spot this is. Also looks like up there there's a like a caretaker as well. She must have chucked all these bins out because it's bin day, I think. But yeah, ripper spot. Definitely worth pulling in here for a lunch or something. Maybe a dinner. You can't stay the night here, which is cool, I guess. But yeah, absolutely beautiful spot. Hello. Right, we've had enough annoying the geese, ducks, whatever they are, and the peacocks, and we spotted the little spider bridge. Don't know if you can see it through there, but we're going to walk across there, have a look, see what it's like. So this is it. This is apparently the spider bridge. Don't know why they call it spider bridge. There's spiders all over it, or just because of the steel work. There's pelicans out there too. Can't say it enough, this place is just bloody beautiful. Really top-notch spot, loads of wildlife as well. Really great little spot. So there's nothing over the other side of this bridge. There's a couple of walks that sort of head around that way by the looks of it, so you might be able to walk the whole way around, not too sure. But we didn't really plan to stop here, we just sort of pulled in and had a look at it. It's definitely worth it. Give credit to the Tenant Creek boys there, keeping this a beautiful spot. But anyway, we're gonna mosey on back up there and get out of here, I guess. Head on. Well, this is us. This is, we plan to get to Newcastle Waters rest area, which is just up the road about 2 k's, and fully packed. But they've got this little area, little gravel pit, which is called just the overflow really. And there's a bunch more people going down there. There's a little track down there. It'll be about 6 or 7 caravans. But we're trying to get up the top here into some sort of good signal area so she can ring home. But yeah, good day today. Batteries are fully charged. Well, I wouldn't say good day actually, the bloody drone had a fall. But yeah, we'll get that. Batteries are all charged up, everything's good. Fuel's down to, what is it, 12.3 or something we're getting now, which is top notch. Yeah, but anyway, the drone, yeah, don't know what to say about that. It is a bit of a pain. Yeah, devastated there. But we've got a part ordered and it's getting sent to Darwin, so touch wood, another week or so we'll probably get that fixed, hopefully, and back in the sky. But then, until then, there's going to be no drone work. It's a pity. So that seems to be the damage to the drone, just the gimbal, which hopefully it's just that ribbon there. We've sort of come to the conclusion. everything else still works on it. We've had it up in the air again, camera still works, it just doesn't move around or stabilize. So hopefully it's just that ribbon cable, which we've ordered a new one, 50 bucks. We've just got to wait for it and then perform surgery on it, I guess. But yeah, devastated. We've got nothing special on tonight. We've got a little ravioli on there. But yeah, nothing special tonight. We're just sort of having an easy one. There's not many people here. About 4 or 5 other people went down that road there. But tomorrow we're into Delhi waters. We're going to go into the pub there, check it out. You see everything all over the internet, all over Facebook and that Delhi water's a place to be. So we'll check it out. Probably have lunch there or something. We'll see how we go. Well guys, for some reason the ending didn't save or didn't record, or I don't know what's going on with this thing. But yeah, we're going to end it here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. Helps us out a bit. And yeah, we're going to finish this one here. Anyway guys, cheers. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.